Given an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k, find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k that has the maximum average value and return this value. Any answer with a calculation error less than 10 to the negative fifth will be accepted. So we don't want to, the key, this is an easy one. The key is that we don't want to recalculate the average with every single value, with every single set that we look at. What we want to do is capitalize on the calculation we've already done. That's the magic of a sliding window. So we'll say first average, we'll say max average equals, how about we just, we'll just have a variable that is the active, or the window sum, and that is going to equal the sum of nums up to k. And the max average is going to be the window sum divided by k. And once we do that, we're just going to loop through. We're going to say for I in range. And we're just going to do 1 because we already did the first one. Up through what will be the last one. The last one would be the length of nums minus k. I'm pretty sure. Now we just say window sum minus equals nums I minus 1. So we subtract the one that's leaving and we add the one that's coming. Nums I plus k. Okay. And then we just calculate the, we'll just say max average equals max between max average and window sum divided by k. I'm watching football right now. It's pretty crazy. All right. Let me just return max average. Nums. Did we not consider the last one? The last one is why does that not work? Okay, so for k is 4. The max average starts at let's see, so that is 2 divided by 4, which would be 0.5. Then the first loop should be 51 divided by 4. Hmm? So if the range should go through 1 up to length of nums, which is 6, minus k would be 2. So it'd be that. And it's exclusive, so it wouldn't do the first one. Let's just see how many iterations I gets through, because it should get through. So it only gets through 1 iteration. So it should be the length of nums. We'll just do +1. Yeah, that's it. Okay, just had to iron out a couple values. There we go.